Mastering everyday English. Add it to the cart. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you'll encounter while shopping online. Add it to the cart. This simple sentence is a great example of everyday English in action, and understanding it can make your online shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's get started. Add it to the cart is a phrase that has become increasingly popular with the rise of online shopping. When you're browsing products on a website, you might find something you want to buy. Instead of purchasing it immediately, you can choose to add it to the cart. This means you're placing the item in a virtual shopping cart, a tool that holds items you're interested in buying until you're ready to complete the purchase. Think of it as a placeholder or a way to bookmark items you're considering. Let's break down the phrase, add it to the cart, to understand each component. Add. This verb means to put something somewhere. In this context, it means placing an item into your shopping cart. It is a pronoun that refers to the item or product you're interested in buying. To the cart. This part of the phrase specifies where the item should be added. The cart is the virtual basket or container for items you're planning to purchase on an online platform. You'll commonly encounter add it to the cart on online shopping platforms, but it's also used in everyday conversation, especially when discussing online purchases. Here's how to use it. When shopping online, look for a button or link that says, Add to Cart, or Add it to the cart. Clicking this will save the item in your virtual cart. In conversation, you might say, I saw a great pair of shoes last night. I decided to add it to the cart and think about it. To help you better understand, let's look at some practical examples. Example 1. You're browsing an online bookstore and find a book you might want to read. You click the Add to Cart button to consider purchasing it later. Example 2. Discussing with a friend, you could say, I added a new coffee maker to the cart on that website. I'll buy it if it goes on sale. Understanding phrases like, add it to the cart, not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to navigate the digital world confidently. We hope this video has shed light on this useful phrase and that you'll feel more comfortable using it in your online adventures. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Happy shopping and learning!